This 2008 Ford Super Duty F-650 crane truck is brought to you by RLB Sales. 2008 Ford F-650 Crew Cab Utility Crane Truck 4x2. Expected condition for the year and mileage that is sure to please. Features include 7.2L Cat turbocharged diesel i6 engine, custom bed with storage, 3200 lb Venturo ET10KX motorized crane, cruise control, AM/FM audio system, 6-speed manual transmission, 22.5 end quote, wheels, external fuel tank with pump, and much more. This is a fantastic F-650 with numerous features. Assured to please, this F-650 is in expected condition. This truck will need some minor service. We're consistent with age and mileage. Visit us at rlbsales.com.